So guys, guess what? We start packing.
Let's go! So guys, we already make a video for you guys explaining everything. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch that video before watching this one. But basically we are moving to Puerto Rico!
And we're super excited because we have our own house in Puerto Rico that
Yeah.
we're gonna make changes to that house. We're gonna convert it in the way that it works for us.
Like in our dreams.
In our dream house. You will see that coming.
The whole process. But right now we need to pack everything.
Yeah.
We are going to pack our move in boxes, like everything.
18 by 18 by 28 inches boxes.
Okay.
And that's all the measurements that we have. Big items might stay here in Florida. We might sell some of them. We might give away some of them to our family members that live
whatever,
nearby,
yeah.
our friends.
But
And
we are going
what
to
else?
move just what we can put in boxes.
Yes.
So we are going to start removing all of the curtains, all of the decoration, packing everything.
And get organized. Get
Yeah.
organized. That's the first thing. If you have any advice for us
Yeah.
when you're moving, when you're doing a long distance move, not
Yeah.
from city to city, but a long distance move,
distance.
let us know in the comment down below if you have any advice for us, because
We
this is
haven't.
gonna be super fun.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Let's
No.
get into it.
Why are you flying? Ready?
Yeah, let's see. Get close.
Nope.
It does not.
Okay guys, it's September 7 of 2022. We are on the, what is this, like the moving company that we choose to like move all of our stuff to.
Well, few of our stuff.
A few, yeah, we're gonna move just a couple things. It's called Rosa del Monte, it's over there. We got, we pick up like 10 boxes, and they give us the.
On General Drive toward Rocket Boulevard.
Thank you.
Half a mile, turn left onto West Taft, Vineland Road.
That's perfect.
Okay, got it. And we got, 10 boxes, and they give us tape. So we're going to start like packing a few stuff, just a few. And
Yeah, they give us also paper for the
Just
fragile stuff.
Just like
The boxes are 28 by 18. We're not planning on moving a lot of things, so we're gonna try to put as much as we can
on the
in those boxes.
Take the next
Up.
left onto West Taft, Vineland Road.
Okay, Google.
Okay.
Thank you. So we're gonna try to put as much as we can in those boxes, and then for the rest of the stuff, we're gonna try to sell it, or if we really need them, we're gonna buy a few more boxes.
Good morning. I have no battery. Great. It's a new day. I have no makeup. I look like a crazy. I don't care. I'm going to continue packing, and we put all of the boxes here. I'm going to put like a tag, just like a piece of paper that says like decoration or toys or tools, things like that on each box to know like where everything's supposed to go. And basically what I want to do is to remove all of the frames, the signs, the decoration that I have in the house. Monty. Ow! My nail! Grab. The idea is that whatever I want to keep or to put in the boxes or move to Puerto Rico is gonna be inside of the house. Whatever I want to sell is gonna be in the garage. So I love this sign, but it's not gonna fit in one of those boxes, so it's going to the garage. That's what. No, we can't. No.
What? No.
No.
It's too big. Like for an inch. Unfortunately.
To the garage. These are the curtains. I take them out yesterday. I washed them and they're expensive, so they're coming with me.
We have an issue here. Yeah, don't laugh. We have 10 boxes. But Jazz went to get all of these stuff on those boxes. And just looking at them, we will need 8 boxes at least for this amount of decor. And she's grabbing more. She just brought that one and these other boxes. And there's some other bins in the office that she went to get there too.
I need that.
I don't know what we're gonna do.
This is part of my job. I need all of this.
I don't know. I'm not sure about it. I'm not sure about it.
Okay guys, so it's another day. We're still packing everything. If you hear a sound, it's just the washer machine. But yeah, we have a big mess. This is you know, it's like every move. It's crazy.
Yes. So we have all these boxes here. They're pretty full. There's no more room. You can show them and show them what it is.
Okay, the box supposed to be up here, and yeah. but I need to condense everything, like push everything, put some tape. I don't want to close them just because these are like all of the material from decorations and DIYs, and I'm still doing crafts and videos, so sometimes I just like grab something from the top to be able to decorate some areas.
But you have like a week for doing that.
Yeah.
So you need to close them.
Yeah.
Pretty soon.
Yeah.
These ones are full, and we're not gonna open it anymore.
No.
So we just need to close them with tape. We were thinking about like 5 more boxes, but I don't know. We want to make sure to have enough boxes for the things that we still have left.
Maybe 7,
maybe 7, 8.
Yeah. And we are putting all of the things here too. It's a mess, but yeah, I have all of these like linen and curtains and bed stuff, towels and things like that I just want to bring there. And I wanted to show you something, guys. We have okay, we bought these from the dollar store. It's a vacuum storage bag, and it's super cool. It's gigantic, and you can remove like the air from the storage bag and condense everything. Super cool.
It's super amazing. It looks like a rock.
And we can put yeah, the kids were excited for that.
Cool.
Yeah, and then I have like 2 pillows here and a blanket, and it looks pretty tiny, and I really like it. Yeah, so we need more boxes obviously for all of these stuff, and I think we're going to start like putting all of that inside of the vacuum storage bags, right?
This is how it looks. It looks like a pillow, like a big pillow. So let's see how it works.
Now we have to like remove the lid of the cap from here, and then you're gonna need like a vacuum. We are using this, it's for water.
The Hoover!
But it works. So you put that there and
it looks like this.
super cool.
It's a lot better.
Yeah.
This is now sturdy, and also it will protect them from the weather. We don't know if they get water in the ship or something. So it will be protected. That's a good thing.
Okay, so we are at Rosa del Monte again to pick up 10 more boxes.
As I mentioned, those 10 boxes that we got at the first time,
it's not gonna work.
Enough.
It's not gonna work with just like 10 boxes. So we need to get 10 more just to make sure. I think 10 is going to be more than enough.
Because those 10, 5 of them will be for decorations.
Oh, maybe. Okay guys, so I think we're gonna leave the video here. We have so much stuff to do. We still need to pack 10 more boxes, and clean and do so many things, but I don't want to make this video like very long, so I'm going to cut it here, and then in the next video you're going to see like the rest of the moving and all of the boxes that we ended up having and what we're going to move, what exactly we're going to move. We're going to show you that in the next video, and also maybe like the moving. I'm so excited for that. It's gonna be pretty soon, so we need to rush and pack everything, and I'm excited and exhausted.
We have 1 week.
1 week. And we have a lot of things to do, but anyway guys, hope that you like this video. If you like it, please say big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. So many new content and videos, and oh my god, so much stuff is coming really soon, so make sure that you are subscribed, guys.
Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media pages.
Yes.
Instagram, Facebook, Coffee Mug and Joy on Instagram, DIY by Jazzy Instagram and YouTube. And
Yeah.
see you in the next one, guys. Bye.
Bye.